Hi, today I've read your Redmi A1 Plus and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or just remove some of them or to change their positions, we should click here to edit icon, and you will see here this down section with all of the invisible options. Just to add them to your panel, you should just hold them and drag them to this subsection. To remove the options from here by the same way, hold it and drag it to the down section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and just drag it. And to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.